Greetings from the Channel 8 Newsroom on this Tuesday. Dave Crevassier here at 8newsnow.com. Thanks for stopping by. Just this afternoon, the report that a 9-year-old boy was shot and killed. We're still gathering details. We should have a lot more for you during our evening newscast. Also, more details of yesterday's coverage of the officer-involved shooting. Members of the family of the fallen are now saying that he was just sick and needed some help. UNLV economists are coming out with a rather rosy projection of our the economy for Las Vegas and tourism for next year. We'll share those numbers with you. Zappos CEO Tony Hsieh talked to some budding entrepreneurs today about starting their own business. We'll hear what he had to say. We'll show you how to use those QR codes that you see on products now to do better shopping, get better deals for this holiday season. The Las Vegas Bowl kicks off next week at Sam Boyd Stadium. Chris Matthews will be out there live to explain some new developments in that big event this year. And a new survey says that more than 40% of Christmas shoppers plan to do their shopping in just the last few days of the season, hoping to get better deals. But we're also going to take a look at the hot toys for the season, and many of them are already selling out. So we'll have all those stories and a lot more coming your way on our news between 4 and 6:30. Hope to see you then.